Could you go into a little bit of detail in terms of what advantages a retailer sees in an embedded finance platform and what a platform like ShopKirana gets in return? So, what are the metrics, for example, in terms of average order value, frequency of purchase? What are the core metrics that are impacted because of embedding finance inside, say, a ShopKirana app?
Yes. So the key metrics that actually get increased when we talk about only one thing, that can be average order value, and then there are ingredients actually of average order value. The biggest ingredient is, I think, psychology. So it is like when you use credit card, your psychology is different in terms of making payments and purchases, and when you are not using a credit card, your psychology of buying is different. Uh, so when actually finance as a solution is available, I don't think when retailer is buying on cash and he has limited kind of finance to operate the store, he thinks finance as a primary bottleneck and then make the decision. And the psychology get reversed when he has lot of financial kind of availability of resources. His mindset is about increasing profits for himself if this is not the constraint. So he start buying more range. He start looking for newer brands which he can procure, which are moving slowly sometime, but he would like to invest because he is getting more margin. Earlier he would have refrained doing it actually because there was limited cash or capital available, and he want to rotate it very fast. So it helps into lot of things. One is the variety actually he want to order. The number two thing is actually when he order using cash, he always thinks that I have this much of cash only available, so I should buy this much only. But he goes out of this mindset. And the third, and which is most important, is actually our delivery efficiency also increases because when you buy on credit, you are trust on the platform, and you have some gratitude toward the platform that I am buying on credit. I should respect this guy.
And in terms of your sort of experience, what would you say is the bump on average value that anybody who's implemented embedded finance successfully see on a platform like yours?
Yeah, in last couple of months, I am personally observing it very closely, and within a quarter, I am able to see his kind of top line or contribution on the platform or buying behavior on the platform has grown up by 30-40% in a quarter, which means for me it is kind of doubling his business on the platform within 6 to 8 months. When we started ShopKirana, we were very clear that this guy need two things. One is he need products, and he don't want to pay immediately most of the time. He need capital actually to finance this procurement. So actually, when we as a platform come and only solve one problem, which is only great vendor, great service level, great catalog, we solve half of the problem, and the remaining half come from the second thing. Until we solve his financial problems, it is half journey done. And I think with this, the lifetime value will obviously double because we are solving both problem now.